Forging Forward, the campaign for Rowan University, is an opportunity to ensure that our university continues forging new pathways, discoveries, and growth for our students and our society.
We have so many amazing plans, This town is going to become a destination for people from around the globe. People want to come in here because it's a great institution, because it's a beautiful campus, because it's an affordable institution, and people feel safe being here.
Behind every gift is a student's story and the chance to forge successful futures. Rowan thrives because we thrive, and it is important for us to put our best foot forward. We are the future leaders, and it is important for us to stay focused and succeed.